It's Easter Sunday, guys, so I just thought, what would I give to you, all my amazing followers? And so I decided to drop this very yummy jollof rice recipe for you guys. I added my onions, then my tomato paste, and then I added some extra spice into my tomato paste to give it a very nice flavor. And then I'm adding my pepper mix now. So stir that up also and let it cook for a bit. I added salt, I added Maggi, and I added cinnamon powder. So this is my meat stock, so just let that boil, and then I'm going to be adding my rice into it. The rice is parboiled, you know my way of parboiling my rice. So then, to be sincere, na peer pressure make me add foil paper. I just wanted to see like the difference, you understand? That was why I just added the foil paper. It was really stressing me out. So yes, it's like almost done here. I added my fried meat, and then I added some veggies into that. Then I let it cook or steam for a bit. Then it's all done now stir that up. And this is what we have. It's cooked and ready to be served. So see what it looks like, guys. I mean, well, trust me now. So it tastes so yummy. So I just added sesame seeds into this, and this is what we have. Thank you for watching, guys. Have an amazing Easter. Bye.